Alright mga Amoratek, yan. Check natin yung tinakbo ng motor natin. Yan, 539 kilometers yung trip A natin. Yan, trip B. Ang average natin is 42.6 km per liter. Yan, di pa tayo nakapagpalit ng L filter. Yung tinakbo natin 94,809. Yan. Yan guys, babakasin natin top ng airbox natin. Gagamit lang tayo dito ng Phillips screw. Yan, mga 6 na pirasong screw yata to guys, or fito. Yan, bakasin natin. Ito na yung filter natin guys. Grabe, napaka-itim. Yan, napakadumi. Hindi na natin nakita yung totoong kulay ng filter. Yan guys, so ito yung luma. Yan, napakadumi. Ito, may kita nyo yung dumi. Yan, grabe. Ito yung bago guys. Yung kulay, nasa kaliwa ko. Kulay green, di ba? Yan yung totoong kulay ng mga filter. Bago, kulay green. Yan guys, punas-punasan natin. Linisan natin yung loob ng ating gearbox. Yan. Yung loob ng ating oil filter para solid, di ba? Yan, kabit na natin yung oil filter natin. Kung paano na siya tinanggal guys, ganoon yun din siya ibabalik. May guide naman yan guys pag ikakabit nyo yung oil filter. Kaya basic na basic sa inyo mga tropa pits. Okay? Yan, punas-punasan na rin natin itong takip ng oil filter natin syempre para pwede nyo naman siyang hugasan guys. Hinugasan ko to kanina guys ng tubig. Yan. Pero sure nyo na matuyo. Diba? Kasi mahirap. Makakahigop ng tubig. Mababasa agad yung oil filter nating bago. Yan. Kabit lang natin. Diba? Yan. Tapos screw nyo na guys. Yan. Screw lang. Diba? Basic sa ating mga Amoratek yan.
A few days later.
Alright mga Amoratek, papakita ko sa inyo ang naging average consume natin ng ating gasolina. Yan dahil nagpalit tayo ng bagong air filter. Okay? Yan ang takbo natin is 95,362 km. Trip A trip B natin 514 km. Yan guys, yung average natin is 46.3 km per liter. Yan guys. Yung total natin guys. Then, yung average natin is 46.3 km per liter guys. Good siya guys. Tumaas siya. Diba? Alright guys, yan ang laki ng tinipid ng ating gasolina nung nagpalit na tayo ng air filter ng ating motor. Dahil yung ating motor sobrang dumi ng air filter, ang naging average natin is nasa 42.6 km per liter guys, sa 42.6 km per liter. Tapos ngayon nagpalit na tayo ng air filter na bago, ang naging average natin is 46.3 km per liter. Diba guys? Ang laki ng tinaas, halos 4 km. Diba? Filter pa lang ang napalitan natin doon guys. Paano pa kaya pa nagpalitan rin tayo ng mga fuel filter, fuel filter, diba? Ang laki ng tinipid, diba? Okay guys? Sana makatulong sa inyo ang ating observation, kaya mas maganda talagang inaalagaan natin ang ating motor. Maintenance, palitan ng kailangan palitan, yan. Linisan, wag nyo siyang hayaang mabaraduan ng ilong, di ba? Yung hininga ng motor natin, di ba? Dahil nasasakal, maapektuhan yung natin, yung throttle body din natin, guys. Okay? Alright, mga Amoratek, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa Motor Tech. Yan, guys. God bless everyone. Babush! Ba, sarado. Sarado rin to dito.
Okay, sige oh.
Ha? May ginagawa yung taas, yung flyover. Sa baba ulit tayo dadaan. Ha?
Parang hindi ko nakita kanina.
Pero doon nakita mo kanina.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what